Yeah, this is Mitch Osborne from Osborne Auction LLC, doing a video preview of the Brent Vestal estate auction coming up, and that'll be tomorrow, Saturday, starting at 11 a.m. We'll be starting at 12:30 on the online items, and the first online item right here is a Country Clipper Defender mower. Folks, this is a Kubota. It's got an AGCO sticker on it, but it is actually Kubota. Neat little collectible tractor. There's that horse trailer, stock trailer. Here's that F-250 XLT. The brakes are out on this pickup, just so everybody's aware of that. There's that way wagon. The scale's is in the box right there. We got that auger with that swing away hopper. Little Wesco truck auger. There's that 550 mulch master. Universe chisel. And we got the Blue Jet ground injector pump right attached to it. Got that good Brent 520 grain cart. Nice little spray coupe, and hasn't been used in the last 4 years, but the last time they used it worked just fine. Hydraulic spray booms. There's the tow hitch. There's that 955 Case Cyclo air planter. Folks, now we're coming into the tractors, and there's that 7086 International. And Charles, I found out, Charles bought this, had almost brand new. Charles Vestal did. And this was the Nebraska. It was the show tractor for the state of Nebraska. It was. And he purchased that. Once we sell that tractor, we're going to sell the IH suitcase wakes that are not online. We'll sell them so much a piece. There's that 9670 AGCO Alice front wheel assist. Nice tractor. Folks, we're coming in some good tractors, like we said. It's only got 3,365 hours on it. There's that 9745 AGCO. Had a lot of phone calls on. And another outstanding tractor. And right at 4,900 hours on it. We just took the loader mounts off. They had the Westendorf loader right on that, used it for that, and there it is. Great shape. There's that Gleaner R62 combine. Like we said, unfortunately Brent passed away here a year ago in November, so these machinery items have not been out in the field for over a year. There's about 400 acres is what they covered. There's the grain head. Here's the corn head, and I know on Equipment Facts it said 12 row 30 inch. It's actually 10 row 22 inch spacings. 10 row 22 inch spacings. There's that Hawkmaster trailer. And we got the semi tractor trailer inside the shed right here, but it'll be outside tomorrow. And we're coming in some side items here of the McGrew brothers. There's that got that John Deere 16 row 30 inch planter, Yeta row cleaners, cast iron closings, got all the insecticide boxes, Kinsey bean units to go with it. There's that Blue Jet AT4000 pressure nitrogen applicator. That is a 1,400 gallon tank. I know the sale bill said 1,100, 1,400 gallon. And that is in just real good shape and a nice piece. If you need something like this, this will do the trick for you. Folks, here's that Patriot XT sprayer, self-propelled. Got the 90-foot 6-section boom. command auto shut-offs, etc. Just a good machine. Good machine. Basically, the only reason they don't use it anymore, this equipment here, but it's in good shape. Here's that John Deere 7000, 16-row, 30-inch planter. And, excuse me, John Deere 8-row, 30-inch planter. Look at the wrong part there. Got the coulters, the wavy coulters. This is field ready to go to work for you this spring. Once again, this is Mitch Osborne from Osborne Auction LLC. We'll be seeing you here tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. sharp. We'll be starting on some primitives and antiques, and we'll be going right in a small tool line and a small little implement line, and then we'll be online at 12:30 sharp. Sales should be done about 1:30 to about 1:45, and once again, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you.